What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BDO Shopmore credit card or BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit limit into cash. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba yung process, kung paano kayo makapag-avail or paano kayo mag-apply ng BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card credit limit into cash. Meaning, yung credit limit ninyo sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard ninyo is i-convert siya into cash installment or di kaya cash advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung availment fee at saka yung interest rate since ito ay cash installment or cash it easy. Pag-uusapan natin kung magkano yung pwede nyo ma-avail at the same time magkano yung minimum amount at saka yung pinakamalaki or maximum amount na pwede nyo i-avail. At saka kung gaano siya katagal pwedeng bayaran, ilang months nyo ba siya pwedeng bayaran or ilang years. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman wag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BDO Shopmore Mastercard holders can convert their credit limit to cash via Cash It Easy program, allowing 3 to 36-month installment terms with rates as low as 0.49% to 0.99% monthly, or by using the cash advance feature subject to fees. Apply via BDO Pay or BDO Online application or by calling 02-8667-1690 or visiting a BDO branch. So, sa mga nagtatanong guys kung gaano siya katagal pwedeng hulugan or gaano katagal nyo siya pwedeng bayaran, ilang months, ilang years, nakikita nyo dito guys is minimum of 3 months up to 36 months. So meaning, 3 buwan hanggang 3 taon. At saka magkano nga ba yung interest rates niya per month? Yung interest rate per month ng converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card credit limit into cash is 0.49% to 0.99% monthly. Depende siya sa promo guys. Then, key details for cash conversion. Programs is choose between Cash It Easy, fixed installments, or Cash Advance Immediate High Interest Cash. So, pwede kayong mamili guys kung gusto nyo ba Cash It Easy or Cash Installment. Yun nga lang, kailangan nyo mag-antay ng certain period of time kasi tatawag kayo, magre-request, may process, hahanapan kayo ng nominated savings account. Ngayon, kung BDO savings account yung ipapasok nyo doon para doon ipapasok yung cash installment ninyo, mas mabilis. Pero kung ibang bank, mas matagal siya ng kunti. Mga days lang naman. Tapos, pwede rin guys via cash advance. Immediate nga siya, pero high interest naman. It's because 3% yung ipapatong sa ika-cash advance ninyo every month hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash installment or kinash advance ninyo. Compared to Cash It Easy, mas mababa lang siya since nakita nyo naman is 0.49 to 0.99% yung add-on rate niya monthly. While cash advance is 3%. Si cash advance is hanggang hindi nyo nababayaran ng buo yung kinash advance ninyo, tuloy-tuloy lang yung 3%. Kahit na 500 pesos or 100 pesos na lang yung natitira sa kinash advance ninyo. 3% pa rin yung ipapatong sa kabuuang amount na kinash advance ninyo. Like for example, 10,000 yung kinash advance ninyo. So yung 3% ng 10,000 is 300 pesos. So ngayon, every month yon kahit na 100 pesos na lang, 300 pesos pa rin yung mag-reflect doon sa statement of account ninyo sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card ninyo. Ngayon, magkano nga ba yung minimum amount na pwede nyong i-cash installment kapag balak nyo mag-cash it easy sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard ninyo? Yung minimum amount guys is 10,000 pesos per installment conversion. So 10,000 siya, hindi pwede bumaba kasi hindi ma-approve yung application ninyo ng converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit limit into cash. Ngayon, let's talk about fees. Magkano nga ba yung availment fee? A fee of 200 pesos or more per approved installment transaction may apply. So, sa ngayon guys is tumaas na siya. 350 pesos na siya. Kung hindi nyo alam, kakataas lang kasi ngayong year, 2026. So, ongoing na, tuloy-tuloy na yung 350 na yan every requesting of or converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit limit into cash. 350 pesos na siya per transaction. Ngayon, let's talk about how to apply. So, paano nga ba kayo ngayon mag-avail ng converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card credit limit into cash? So, paano nga ba yung process? Saan nga ba kayo pupunta para makapag-avail? Una is via BDO Pay application, top installment offers, or cash installment. So, siguro aware naman kayo guys sa BDO Pay application since may account kayo sa BDO, no? So, doon, punta kayo, i-log in nyo yung account nyo sa BDO Pay application, then check niyo yung installment offers, then hanapin niyo yung cash installment. BDO online application. Tap more, then installment offers. Kasi di ba dalawa yung application ni BDO, yung BDO Pay application at saka BDO online application. Sa BDO online application naman, itatap niyo yung more, kapag nakalagin kayo, siguro alam niyo naman, then installment offers kayo. Then via phone, kung hindi kayo sigurado, kung gusto niyo na sure, pwede kayong tumawag sa 02-8667-1690, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So, tawagan niyo na lang yung official hotline number ni BDO Credit Card Converting Your Credit Limit into Cash Department, which is 02-867-1690, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So, ibig sabihin, mula 8:30 a.m. hanggang 4:30 lang siya. At weekdays lang ito guys, or my office, banking hours. So meaning, kapag tumawag kayo ng weekends, hindi nyo makakausap yung BDO representative. Pwede rin guys via branch ngayon. So, visit any BDO branch. So ngayon, kung balak nyo by branch na lang, make sure lang guys na pumunta kayo as business hours or banking hours. Kasi di ba may mga branch ng BDO na open pag Saturday? Hindi pa rin pwede guys. Kailangan may office doon sa main nila. Kasi tatawag nila yan eh. Ngayon kung Sabado kayo pumunta, weekends, hindi pwede yun. Based on my experience. Important considerations. Interest rates. Monthly add-on rates are 0.99% for 3, 6, and 9 months. And 0.49% naman for 12, 18, 24, and 36 months. So magkano nga ba yung interest? Depende siya guys kung gaano siya katagal babayaran. Minsan, kapag 3, 6, 9 months lang, kapag 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months yun lang siya babayaran, yung rate niya is 0.99%. Kung 0.49% naman ang gusto nyo, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 up to 36 months yun pwedeng bayaran. Depende siya guys sa promo ni BDO na ino-offer. Eligibility is, the offer is generally for selected clients who receive a promo ID, though it is a standard feature for most, says BDO. So, yung eligibility naman niya guys is, kapag may na-receive kayong promo ID, which is sinasabing from the word itself, promo. So, ibig sabihin, mas mababa yung offer sa inyo na interest rate. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo talaga mag-avail kahit walang promo ID, regular interest rate yun is 0.99%. Kahit 36 months pa ninyo katagal gustong bayaran. 0.99% yung regular interest rate. Ngayon, kung may promo, naka-receive kayo ng promo ID, mababa lang siya, nasa 0.49 lang siya. Mas mababa pa nga dun minsan. Alternative is, you can also use the cash advance feature, which incurs a fee of 200 pesos or $3 or 3.30 US dollar per transaction, says BDO and BDO. So ngayon kung nagmamadali kayo guys, much better to go for cash advance na lang. Kasi talaga si Cash It Easy or cash installment, may process talaga siya. Minsan, hindi pa kayo ma-approve kapag lumagpas na yung total amount doon sa available credit limit ninyo. Kasi pag nag-avail kayo, ipapatong doon kung magkano yung interest rate, tapos pag na-add lahat yon kasama nung availment fee, mag-decline yung application ninyo. Hindi ma-approve yung requesting of BDO Shopmore Mastercard Credit Card Credit Limit into cash ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!